Okay, let's now move on to the JavaScript questions. So I have taken an online editor. So this is the question which they have asked. Variable x equal to 2, then a function add function, then x equal to 5 where y equal to 1, then a set time of function which returns x plus y, console.log add off. So first question is, what is the result of this? If you run this JavaScript, what is the result? Okay, anyway, let me run this and show you the result. Okay, the result is undefined. The next question is how to edit the code and make it work. So to work this, we need to, because of the set timeout only, this is not working. So we need to use promise to make it work. So let's see how to add a promise. Okay, so after this calling this console.log also we have to make a change. So add of then result. So we will add the console.log over here. Let's see whether it's working or not. Oh, okay, there is a syntax mistake from my side. Okay, here we have to add the resolve. So let me check. Yeah, it's working. So if we change it to 1000 milliseconds, let's see. Yeah, it's printing after 1 second. Okay, so the next question what they asked is there is a number with duplicates. How to remove these duplicates? So to remove duplicate, what we have to do is we need to use a set where uh, just use a set. Okay, just run this. So the duplicate is removed, or we can use this dot operator to make it better. So these are the JavaScript questions for the interview.